CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, keyless ignition, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, active grille shutters, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, automatic climate control, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.